Back to my channel. In this video I'll be making egusi soup, so delicious egusi soup. So I have goat meat here, I have egusi, melon seed, I have also when you go to the markets, you can ask the women, they can give it to you. It gives a different texture and flavor to your egusi soup. I have Okpei, I have crayfish, ground crayfish, seasoning cubes, onions. I have yellow pepper. It's also called scent pepper. When you cook with this pepper, especially a traditional soup, you will notice the difference. And I don't think you're going to use any other pepper except this. I have the salt to taste. I have my stock fish and my dry fish. The leaves I'll be using is Uziza Leaves. Comes out very well in egusi. The flavor is out of this world. And I have scent leaf, palm oil. Another secret to a tasty soup, Nigerian soups especially, is your palm oil. When your oil is wrong, it spoils every other thing you've done. So let's get right into it. I'm about to steam the meat, so I add some salt, my seasoning cubes, and some ground pepper with onions. I'm going to turn it very well, stir it very well, so that the ingredients will infuse into the meat, because I'm going to grill this meat at a later part of the video. I'm covering the lid and allow the meat to steam properly before I'll get back to it. Our meat is well steamed now, so we are going to transfer it to the oven to grill, and we'll continue making the soup. This is our goat meat now. I'm going into the oven. I'm going to bake it for about 15 minutes. Grill it for about 15 minutes. Then I'll put it on 150. So these are stock from the goat meat. We'll go ahead and pour our grinded pepper and the egg, stockfish, crayfish, add some water, palm oil, seasoning, salt. You have to taste it at those points. This is the right taste for me. You can adjust yours if you need more salt. We'll cover it to simmer and we'll go and grind the egusi at this point. Go ahead and blend the egusi. I'm blending it with my mixer at home, dry. I've picked out all the dirt inside it before now, so I'll add my awesome blend. I've mixed the egusi. Remember, you can grind yours in the market if you don't have a blender that can blend it at home for you. So now I'm going to go ahead and add onions. I've also blended some onions and mix it together. I'm turning it into a paste now. The blended onions with the blended egusi. I have to turn it into a paste before adding it into our pot. Our stock has come to a boil. I'm start introducing the egusi with a spoon gradually. So we'll cover the pot and allow it to simmer, then we'll get back to it. I've washed my uziza and my scent leaf and I'm cutting it now. I prefer to wash and cut it at home. I don't like cutting it then washing it, because I'll lose the health benefits and wash it away and now eat the chaff. We are checking for egusi at this point. It's been cooking for 15-20 minutes. You can see the lumps. If you don't want it this lumpy, you can break it up. So at this point, we'll add our dry fish. Reintroduced our grilled goat meat back into the pot. We'll turn together, stir it together for the goat meat to mix properly with the soup, so that the taste and the aroma and flavor will be infused right into the soup. Having turned it properly, we have to cover it to simmer for about 5 minutes, then we'll get back to it. So at this point, we introduce the Uziza leaves with the scent leaves. If you cook egusi soup with scent leaf, you've never tasted anything like it before. Try it and let me know in the comment section how it came out for you. So once we've added our leaves, we don't keep it on the pot for any longer on the stove. Add our leaves, and within a minute or some seconds we'll take it off the stove to retain the flavor and the nutrients that we'll get from the leaves. Our egusi soup is ready. We are going to take it off the stove at this moment. Our egusi soup is ready. Let me know what you'll be taking this soup with. Please, if this video has been of any help to you, please subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. Please subscribe to support me. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.